You've seen the glow. Neon signs, those vibrant beacons of light, illuminating our cities and capturing our imaginations. But have you ever wondered who's behind the brilliance? Who's the mastermind, the artist, the entrepreneur who brings these dazzling displays to life? Neon signs have a fascinating history. Born from humble beginnings in the late 19th century, they quickly became synonymous with urban life, advertising, and even art. From the classic open 24 hours signs to the dazzling, custom-made masterpieces that grace the facades of trendy bars and restaurants, neon has evolved into a captivating art form. But who are the individuals driving this vibrant industry? Are they lone inventors tinkering in their garages? Or are they part of a thriving community of skilled artisans and entrepreneurs? Let's dive in and explore the world of neon ownership. The independent artisan, this is perhaps the most romantic image, the solitary craftsman, meticulously bending glass tubes, filling them with gas, and shaping them into unique creations. These individuals are true artists, often working from small workshops, pouring their passion and creativity into every sign. They may take on custom orders, work on personal projects, or even sell their creations at art fairs and festivals. The family business, many successful neon businesses are family-owned and operated, passed down through generations. These businesses often have a rich history, with deep roots in the local community. They may specialize in certain styles, techniques, or even specific industries like automotive signage or restaurant signage. The large-scale manufacturer, at the other end of the spectrum, we have large-scale manufacturers. These companies often employ teams of skilled workers, utilizing advanced technology and mass production techniques to create neon signs for a variety of commercial applications. They may supply signage for major corporations, retail chains, and even entertainment venues. Challenges of neon ownership. The art versus commerce. For many neon artists, the balance between artistic expression and the demands of the market can be a constant challenge. Competition. The neon industry faces competition from newer technologies like LED signage, which can be more energy efficient and easier to maintain. Preserving tradition. As technology advances, there's a growing concern about preserving traditional neon bending techniques and ensuring the next generation of artisans has the opportunity to learn these valuable skills. Despite these challenges, neon continues to thrive. Its unique aesthetic and nostalgic appeal remain strong. The rise of neon art. Neon is increasingly recognized as a legitimate art form. Galleries and museums are showcasing neon installations, and collectors are snapping up unique pieces. Sustainability. There's a growing focus on sustainable neon practices, including the use of energy-efficient transformers and the recycling of materials. Innovation. Artists and entrepreneurs are constantly pushing the boundaries of neon, experimenting with new techniques, colors, and materials. So, who owns neon? The answer is multifaceted. It's a diverse community of individuals, artists, entrepreneurs, and business owners, each contributing to the vibrant tapestry of this unique and enduring art form. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.